And one of our clients came to us and asked us, do we have a pilot plant that can do vacuum distillation? He started off with about 1,000 liters an hour. Then we had inquiries for 2,200. So we did quite a few 2,200. And then the very latest one, the request was for 4,000. Our biggest contributor to efficiency is the heat pump. The heat pump was almost like an orphan. It wasn't developed because essentially nobody asked for it. In GoLo we needed to perform both duties. We had two targets, boiling and condensing, and they were not equal. And then we built a small pilot plant to test it, and hallelujah, it worked. GoLo technology enhances wine flavor, reduces waste, and increases energy efficiency. I think that says it all. We know what we do when it comes to the equipment. We build and give you the Stradivarius. You make the music.